Hi Daruka friends, hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to play these Saidi patterns too. This is an example of an online lesson. Hope you enjoy, hope you subscribe if you're not, hope you like and hope you share this content. Thank you so much and let's start. Okay, so we are doing Saidi patterns, the second one. We are gonna try to add the slap and the raka at the variation. Let me show you first. 1, 2, play with me, and 4, and doom, slap, taka, doom, doom, taka, slap, raka, doom, ka, slap, taka, doom, doom, taka, slap. Again. Okay, different things here. You can play this as Egyptian with non-index on left. That means 1, 2, 3, all with ring finger. Doom, slap, taka, doom, doom, taka, slap, raka, doom, ka, slap, taka, doom, doom, taka, slap. Okay, that's, I think it's the first stage if you feel more comfortable with the ring finger. So when you do this transition between the first and the second bar, we have Rakadumka slap. Yes. For you, this is easier than switching fingers. Like using the, if you do fast, should be enough to play only with the, yes, because you don't change the way. But what happens when we do a lot the split hand and then we realize that the left single is with index? So now let me show you. I'm gonna play as the notation is, because the tack is 4 and the ka is 2. Remember, tack 4, ring finger, and the ka 2, index. 1, 2, 3, 4, doom, slap, taka, doom, doom, taka, slap. Now, rack 4, doom, 2, slap. I do this transition. Try this with me. Raka, doom, ka, slap. It's a dance of the weight balance of the left. Raka, doom, ka, slap. Rest. 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 Yes. Okay, things about the rack. When we prepare, pam, pam, yes, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, glance left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, give the energy out. Put it out, the energy, because you need to unblock the thumb. At the same time you play the index, you give away the left hand because we are preparing. Let's do from slap, rakadumka, slap, right? 1, 2, 3, and slap, open, rakadumka, slap. Again, 2, 3, 4, slap, rakadumka, slap. Slap, rakadumka, slap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slap, open, rakadumka, slap. 1, 2, 3. At the same time of the slap, yeah, look at the side. I need to put in front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slap, rakadumka, slap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slap, rakadumka, slap. 1, 2, 3. The other way. Slap, rakadumka, slap. Yes, 2, 3, 4. Let's gonna do all this variation. Yeah, the first and the second one. And really, really, really unblock. Remember, the same effort for the doom and the slap. We don't want to accent too much. We don't want to lose too much energy on the slap. Try to fix the same gain level volume for doom and slap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doom, slap, taka, doom, doom, taka, slap, raka, doom, ka, slap, taka, doom, doom, taka, slap. Again. Doom, slap, taka, doom, doom, taka, slap, raka, doom, ka, slap, taka, doom, doom, taka, slap. Faster. Doom, slap, taka, doom, doom, taka, slap, raka, doom, ka, slap, taka, doom, doom, taka, slap. Relax. Doom, slap, taka, doom, doom, taka, slap. Yes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and the 4 E and the 1 E and the 2 E and the 3 E and the 4 E and the 1 E and the 2 E and the 3 E and the 4. Faster. Yes. Unblock. Yes. One particular thing that I feel when I'm preparing the rack, it's to don't prepare with the fingers closed. Because then the fall, for me in my brain, it's more difficult to achieve the separation fall. Like when you so I tight for the preparing. Opening as much as I can. Opening as much as I can. Yes. And then I lose the energy falling down. Yeah, not too much like this. You are doing like a little bit this. So open again. It's like fall and open. Yeah, think about to open because once, as I said before, the index at the end, you need to put the left hand, to put on left, like. It's because I don't want to mute for the tech. Imagine that I keep my fingers pressed. That's why whoa, it's burning. Think about, it's burning. So then you will feel as well an accent of the tech. Remember, when we put the R means tech, but we sing rak. Because it's easier for the syllabical form to sing it. Doom, slap, taka, doom, doom, taka, slap, raka. In fact, it's rteka, rteka, rtek, rtek. So the accent, feel that you have an accent on the right hand. And the left fall, it's kind of ghost notes. They are, yeah, the power of this stroke is the right hand only. So that's why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put it in your head, like. One thing, don't put away the fingers, each one. At the end, the index at the end opens all, but you need to keep it down until you play the index and then you move left. Aha. When we do this type of technical things, don't do too much the technique itself. Like, it's good, but it's not real because we don't play like this. We play, so put, for example, on the notation we have first, raka. Great. Ah, I see. I see. When you relax your method or your technique, you do like this a little bit, closing like this. So open, down, up, down, up. Look at the motion. Pra, pra. Sounds better. Always feeling that it returns. Yeah, think about you have a ball here and you want to play the ball and then push the ball. Push the ball to your left. Prak. Yes, and then you come back for the car. Left, right. Expand first. Expand. Oh, the middle one. You need to feel when you don't listen the properly sound and it just you feel that you are doing. It's missing a stroke. Little by little, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 first. A little bit more. Yeah, try to independent fingers. Try to do independence with your fingers. Now one step further. Ta 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 ta. Aha. Ah, now new synapses. Yeah, and push a little bit. Ka-ka-ka-ka-tek. Ka-ka-ka-ka-tek. Yes. And once you push a little bit more, then you have it. I'm gonna play the first and the second one, each one twice. 1, 2, 3, slow. Boom, slap, ka, boom, boom, ka, slap, ka, ka, boom, slap, ka, ka, boom, boom, ka, ka, slap. Again. Slap, ka, boom, boom, ka, slap, ka, ka, boom, slap, ka, ka, boom, boom. Second one. Boom, slap, ka, ka, boom, boom, ka, ka. Open. Again. Yes, again first. Next. Taka dum dum, taka slap, raka dum ka slap, taka dum dum, taka slap, dum slap, taka dum dum, taka slap, raka dum ka slap, taka. Faster. Roll. Second bar. Okay, one more. Roll. Second line. Okay.